Hi Josie fam, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a brow grooming tutorial video, and I'm going to be working on a model. So first of all, you want to start by brushing the brow hairs, and I'm going to be using a spoolie to do that. And I'm going to take this razor blade, and using a downward motion, I'm going to take just a piece of the brow hairs at a time and trim them off. And so I'm going in again after wiping off what I did initially, just to see what I am working with. And I'm going to go in again to brush the brow hairs just to see how the brows are looking. Next, I'm going to take these grooming scissors and trim off any hairs that appear to be longer than the rest, and this will give a nice even look. And so you can still use your razor blade to trim the longer hairs in the absence of a grooming scissors. And so using a downward motion again, I'm going to trim the hairs right on top of the brow, all the tiny hairs, and this is going to give that nice even base. And so I am going in again to trim some more hairs on the arch of the brow, just to make sure that I get a nice arch when I am ready to fill in the brow with my pencil. And so I am going on to do the other brow, and just like I did for the first brow, I'm using a downward motion to trim the hairs. And fam, please bear in mind, I am using really light hands to trim the brow. I'm going in gently with the razor blade and using light taps to take off the hair or the unwanted hair. And so I do not want to leave my clients' brows or the areas around the brows burning, and so this technique, using really light taps and gentle hands, will help you achieve that. And so I go in again and brush the brow hairs just to see what I have done, and I am okay with this, and this is what I'm going to use to do the brows in another video. So this is the beautiful before of the brow. If you want thicker brows, you can groom them thicker. If you want them a little bit thinner, you can groom them thinner. And so I took off, or I divided the blade into two, and I'm going to use half of that blade to groom around the lips. If you want to get rid of any hairs around the lips, you can do so, but make sure you divide the razor blade just so that you are not cutting the nose, because the lips are closer to the nose, and so you want to make sure that you divide the blade into two. And fam, as you can observe, I am stretching the skin before I go in to remove the hair, and this is going to help me get a flat surface to allow the razor blade to take off the hair. And you can use this technique if you are that type that likes to shave your face. You can use this technique to shave your face, and this will give you a flawless makeup application. And that's it for this video, fam. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.